Hey YouTube, this here is a 2021 Ram 1500 pickup truck, and today we're gonna change the cabin air filter. There's a little bit of maintenance that a lot of people don't do on their vehicle, just simply because they don't know it's there or they forget it, or if they take it to a shop they just don't do it. They just do the oil change and move on. But today we're gonna change the air filter in the cabin, and we're gonna use this Fram air filter to replace it with. So let's get to it. Let's take a look at how we replace this. The cabin filter is behind the glove box, so we got to open up the glove box, and there's this little string here that you could probably try to take out. I've seen some people actually take it out. They gotta squeeze something here and pull it back, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna drop the glove box down so we could get to the filter that's right behind here. This is a 2021 Ram, okay? So you see there's one little tab right there where the light is at. Hopefully you can see it. And there's one on this side right here. To drop the glove box, we just got to squeeze both of those in and the box will pop straight down. There's one. And two. And then this thing should just, it's kind of hard to hold the camera and do this. Alright, with the glove box out of the way, I don't want to disconnect this string because I don't know how far it goes in. But if you zoom out a little bit, you'll see the filters right up under here. And there's a little plastic face you just gotta somehow pry out, and the filter's right behind there. Okay, now the lighting's not too good back up under here, so maybe I could do a flashlight. It's kind of hard to hold a flashlight on the camera, but there's just one clip there and one on the other side. Now note, this thing here says airflow going down, and on the filter there should be corresponding airflow arrows. We just gotta make sure that the filter goes in the right way. There's the air filter. We'll pull it out. And you can see just how nasty this thing is. Let's go ahead and replace it. The new filters are Fram, and this one's, you can see it looks a little bit dark, but it's supposed to be carbon impregnated, so it keeps the air a little bit cleaner. I'm gonna rip it out of this pack, and there should be some airflow. Here we go. Airflow, made in Thailand. Airflow pointing down, so it goes back in the slot like so. Okay, let's see if we can get a good shot with the camera. And, did I put the airflow right? Yep, the airflow's right. And then the little plastic piece just clips onto the front. Then we just need to put this glove box back. And what we need to do is just line up these hinge holes right here and slide it in. Once we slide it in, these little retaining tabs right here on the glove box should just snap in place.